Hi everybody, it's Jack from Garden Gate Magazine. As you can see, it's snowing here, and I have a packet of poppy seeds. Lauren's great. Here you go, I'll show you. I bought these in the fall, and I was going to sow these in the fall, but of course I forgot. Now it's middle of January, but this type of seed is a seed that needs a winter chill for stratification. So there's still time to do it. It's the middle of January, the snow's coming down. There's not a lot of snow on the ground yet. You don't want to do this if there's more than 2 inches of snow on the ground. But winter sowing is so easy. You just spread them out evenly over the soil. Let me show you how small these seeds are actually. Can you see that? Look at that. Unbelievably small and tiny. And I have this area here where I divided some iris last fall, and it's still open soil. I didn't put mulch on it. And I have a nice little area here that I thought would be great for some poppies. And then when the poppies go dormant in the summer, I'll have other foliage and flowers to take over. So that's really great. So it's just so easy. All you do is take these seeds and you're just trying to evenly distribute them over the soil, the ground, even onto the snow. They'll fall through. It's so easy. That's all you need to do. Mother Nature will take care of the rest. Another process of doing this is taking a salt shaker and mixing the seeds up with some sand and putting that mixture of sand and seed into the salt shaker. And then you can just come out with your salt shaker like this and put it over the area that you want. It's super easy, makes the lets you evenly get the seeds spread out. So I'm hopefully going to have a little path through here, like a ribbon of poppy seeds, come summer. So I'll be looking for these to germinate in the spring. All right, thanks for watching.
Hi, I'm Kristen Bean Sullivan with Garden Gate Magazine. If you like this video, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find tips, garden ideas, and how-to help. And be sure and click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.